Oh, now I am.
So,
Man, so much on my mind. Thank you. Thank you. Let me see. I know the replays do be helping.
indeed, they do.
Yes. Helping. We can see. Okay, let's go outside. Come go outside. Outside. Go ahead. Out. Eat. Okay. Okay. Apple is coming down. Okay, so gotta move this Ireland. See if it's gonna break and retest the structure point, or is it gonna come down? Cute, cute, cute. Or is it just wait the support, the aura here? Okay, it look like it's trying to pop up. I see that that change the character. It's trying to throw us off because that do mean bearish. And now it's pulling back up. So okay, passing the 50. Set the push up. This is the level where it's supposed to push up at. And this is the line in the sand. It's gonna reject or respect. Because if it pass here, yeah, it's gonna keep going up. That's another like little layers of confluence from the fib. But I don't like this confluence down here, but what is happening? What is happening? The momentum is losing. And it's bare up here. Okay, it went all the way up, but it still has to come down here at some point. But that is giving ABC vibes. But I'm just like, oh, we're not.
Right.
Right. And this is saying SPY gonna come down and QQQ. It's bouncing off that 800, bouncing back up. Okay. Big break structure, come down. You see that 5 and 50 cross back here on the 1 minute. And on the 2 minute, it crossed here at 944. So, yeah. What about QQQ? Um, yeah, okay. On the 2 minute, 5 and 50 is crossing up. And it's bounced off the 50. But it's pulling back for some reason. But daily candle is bullish. Good. 4 hour candle is bullish. It flipped. That's good. Bullish sentiments. It went up to the 727. It could. It could. It look like it's struggling though. It could. What is Kermit trying to come out? I don't know what Kermit doing down here. What is Kermit doing? Okay. Well, push up, I just we hit a green dot and then cross up there. I'm interested, but ain't got to align. Okay, 1 hour candle flip bullish. Okay, you got the 3 bar play on that 1 hour, and it's above the 5. This could go up. It could go up. It's respect the support on the 1 hour. That already got the green dot. But
Okay, sandwich.
yeah, you know what I'm saying? That is definitely a sandwich for sure. But it has to catch up on this time frame. Gotta wait and see. Um, Gonna wait and see. What it's doing. What it's doing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Well, every day gotta have a high low anyway, so I'm not even looking at that. 'Cause it's playing. Our focus gonna be on SPY or QQQ. Well, let me look at the on right quick. Okay, well, oh, it's underneath the previous day high. That ain't good. And it's underneath the 50 and the 5 and 50 crowd. So that is a lot of bearish sentiment there, but the market structure says for A to go lower. It's a sandwich. In the other direction. IWM would have to come back above the higher low. Let's see the EMA's cross there. And so did right here too. I don't know. This ain't looking too bullish. Ain't it? No. They gotta get it together. Uh-oh. Wait, let me look at the curve on here. Kerm is still here? Yeah. Kerm is still here. Wowzers. Wow. Yeah, that bear, that's a big, long bear there. It gotta come down here. So I think spot can go lower. Let's see with Kermit in the building. Hmm. That ain't pushing up nobody. That is just that's breaking retest. Yes. Now under here. Shut up. Oh no. Um, that's too close to that. That look like the bye-bye uptrend level. Hmm. Sure enough. Yeah, I don't trust buy. That is definitely bye-bye uptrend level. Yeah.
Mhm.
It is. We put a little line right there. Yeah. That is bye-bye uptrend. Yeah. Okay. That's definitely bye-bye uptrend. Oh, this big fella. Vic's chilling at the bottom. Okay. 7 14. Oh, that's definitely even the mixed signals. Now I want to pop back up. I can't keep up. I think I can keep. Okay, we're gonna put that up here. See, this is where it's supposed to push up from and it did not. They rejected it right on this line. Like, how did it know? Interesting, right? Bounce off the 50. What is it gonna do? Does it want to come fill this gap down here or not? If you keep bouncing, it might give us the sandwich. So, I mean, technically above the 800, 250, it is bullish. So, yeah, I'll make sure that ain't bye-bye uptrend vibe. Okay, no, that's down here. It didn't come down here. Okay, I feel great about that. It is at the 50. I should push up from here. It goes above there for sure. It's going up. So we gonna see. We could close above 725.99 and a confluence match. I would definitely be interested. Why is doing all this riffraff? No, sir. Video too, and video playing. We didn't give it no pullback. Apple is still inside the orb. And yeah, Apple is retesting my there, but Apple still would have to break and retest to come down lower. So let that catch up. And what's IWM doing? Oh, the higher low done move. I can't keep up. Yeah, bye bye uptrend. Hold on. So, right at it. Like a little sus. Right at it. That's where it's bouncing up from now. Interesting. Yeah. Put a little line like that. Yeah, that is bye bye uptrend. A show. But it close. I don't know. Plus that 5 and 50 close, but okay. Look at that. Red. This gotta come all the way up here and across this yellow. Another patient day. Permit is out. That's going up. What's really going on here?
Trying to figure it out.
You know what I'm saying? They gotta figure this out. What we doing, y'all? We need y'all to all be on the same page. Same page. That's the same. PPP is coming down, but it's like a bunch of sideways movements here. That's IWM. And really haven't reset yet. Apple. I do believe Apple gonna go down. I do. Apple. QQQ. What the other giant? Okay. Yeah, IWM definitely. And the both on the 20. It could be popping back up. Could be popping back up. 15 minutes. Let's look. Lower high and a high on a spot. What does QQQ have? A high and reject them on both of them. However, the 5 and the 50 did cross here and here. But it looked like it come back under. What we want to see on the higher time frames, better volume and not bearish. That's what we would love to see. QQQ and SPY is, yeah. Okay. All right. So they've given us some interesting information with respect to my 50 on the 30 minutes. But it is definitely in the pullback. So 8 minutes until a new 15 minute and 30 minute. It's interesting. This is bye bye option. What does it want to do? Oh, okay. It's respecting the bye bye option. Oh. It's making it 200. They I'm sure gave us the break and retest to come lower, but now it's giving us the break and retest to go higher. The people at play. Okay, boom. Okay. So the bye bye uptrend. It was like, okay, it needed to come, I guess, under the higher low to go lower. Let this thing do what it's gonna do. All right, let's see. We get a green dot. Mm. You gonna see? Comment saying it's still going down. It's interesting. Conflict, conflict, conflict. QQQ too? Oh wow. It's not Kermit, but it is red. It's gotta come down here at some point. Cause once the bear pop out, it starts at the top and it gotta come to the bottom. Right now it's just consolidating in the middle. It could go back up before it come back down, but I don't know. Crazy read today. Or need some confluence here. Right at the equilibrium too. So that video still riding at 5. Beautiful. Video need to pull back. I don't know if I can want to pull back, but mm-mm. Okay. Oh dang, that was my little TP from earlier. Okay, that's cute. Apple's still playing inside of the orb. QQQ is still inside of the structure. Gotta
Still
wait
trying
for
to
me.
figure it out.
Man,
Still trying to figure it out.
they are.
What are you
What
doing?
happening here? Put a little box. Okay, that is definitely breakout retest of the little structure and of the orb. All right, so wanna come up? Mm, mm. So struggle bus. Man, if we get the 5 and the 50 to cross, that'll be amazing. Come back. All right. Action. What is it? So, oh, this is bye bye uptrend. Okay. Bye bye uptrend. Oh, wait. This is the higher low right here. The higher low. Mm. Folks need to make up their mind today. Oh, God. Okay. QQQ. Oops. So, guess the QQQ doesn't want to come fill the gap. All right. Well, let's focus on QQQ. Alrighty. Mm. What's the budget? Okay, let me see. Okay, breakout retest. I love it. Never get past this 725.97, right? 725.99. Yeah. And if the confluence lines up, I'm interested in QQQ. And we do got the sandwich on the 1 hour. How long for another 1 hour candle? 32 minutes. Okay. That's a big supply though. You see all that red? All this red up here? A lot of red up there. It means it could definitely
See that?
reject for sure. That is a big supply zone up in here. All of this. That's where it rejected from. So we're waiting. So clearly it's above 800, 250. So it is breaking, retesting the structure. But this is the line in the sand for me. Reject, respect. 725.99. And confluence. Let's look at QQQ. Oh, we got to change the character. It's popping out. 3 bar playing it. 4 hour bullish. Daily is bullish. Let's look at the higher time frame. Okay, boom. 15-minute popping back up. 30-minute popping back up. The volume is above the 50. Volume above the 50. Okay. Starting to look like something, but I don't know why Kermit is still red here. That kind of worries me. Uh, yeah, definitely worries me.
Google said Nvidia just took off.
Nvidia.
Yeah.
Oh, oh yeah, for sure. I see that. Yeah, see that retest. But the thing about Nvidia, I need to pull it back. I can't get in there because it's gonna be a quick in and out. And it went right to the previous week high, and then past my little TP from this morning. And then it's definitely overbought. And see, it's been riding the fire the whole time. But if Nvidia could keep going, I saw the CEO talking yesterday. He done got all these new partnerships and everything.
Yeah, I seen that.
I'm sick. I had a video yesterday, got kicked out.
Oh no! Oh
Yeah, bought
no!
it, bought it in the power hour. Thought I saw something, and it just like I said, I think I be having. I know I have my stop loss one tight, but
Mm.
the influence was on the verge of being that wasn't quite.
Oh wow! That
You know how,
sucks.
hey, you know how it is at the club. You see one, you don't have a couple of drinks, and you see potential in one. Like you just tried.
For sure.
Absolutely. See this still playing? Let me look at this VIX. The VIX still at the bottom. Okay. Oh God. Really? Oh, why my thing does that? It's so annoying. It's still playing in this box. Ooh, gotta come up here, my guy. Oh, come on, QQQ. I had hope that it was gonna come past this level. Mm, 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 mm. All right, okay. This is bye uptrend right here. Nope. No, that's the high low. I meant right here. This pink line right here. Yeah. Why did I have this line right here? I don't remember why that line was there. Okay. Ooh, dang. Okay. Come on, fill the gap then. Ooh, wow. Okay. They said the heck with it, huh? Sheesh.
That thing start moving.
Man. I mean, listen, you gotta see what it's gonna do when it gets to the 800. That's the reversal. And get under that. You already know it's coming here. So 770.14. I had marked that up this morning. Yikes. Wow. Spy, tell us how you really feel. Okay, see, listen. That's why, see, Kermit don't lie to you now. When things ain't coming down, it's gonna come down. This is definitely serving this. And I told you this bearish diversion. It has to come to the bottom. It has to, and it will. Mm, mm, mm. Wow. Interesting. Let's change the character right here. 724.89. Yeah, as long as it's under that higher low there. Wow, that was interesting. Yeah, this level here. Put a line. Yeah, so change the character. Underneath the yellow line. Yeah, that thing probably I see now you gotta move the whole box over to higher low and switch candles. Can't keep up. It came right to the previous day high and respected it. Like, how did it know?
Right to it.
Can't make it up. Ooh, so the EMA's looking like a crossing again. I mean, yeah, yeah. Um, that looks well. There's a cross right here, but uh, mm this is pretty tricky today. All this consolidation, like this is the chop. So they're gonna respect the chop and come down. They might want to come in and fill the gap, if so. But underneath the previous day high, yeah, it's definitely coming down to the gap. I would say 98% chance. Nothing's 100%, but highly
Right.
probable. And look, still red. And we see how this been consolidating. It's on sideways. It has to come here. And it's saying, telling us it's 9:35, it's gonna go down. The volume. The volume gotta come a little lower. It was just looking bullish though. I mean, it was. I got the three-bar play on the 15-minute going the other way. QQQ. Yeah, it was. Still riding to the left of the five, but yeah, it could come to that 50 and 722. So, that's gonna be interesting. 721.88. This is a lot of conflict going on. Wow, RWM. Wow, yeah, the bars are growing. The bars are growing. They come underneath the higher low. Yeah, wow. It's a bunch of sideways, stupid movement. Ain't going nowhere. Yeah, gap. Change the character. And you're not consolidating. NVIDIA. Uh, yeah, come up here. NVIDIA could just keep going. I just don't trust it without no pullback, though. Me personally. I mean, as long as it's staying above that five, yeah, definitely. Real thing, but I don't trust that. What is the VIX doing? VIX is still playing at the bottom. And Nvidia is playing at the top. Apple still in between the orb, has not found a direction. Okay. Definitely bye-bye uptrend. It fell. So no more uptrend for IWM. That is a wrap on that. Show IWM. And now it's on a 200 EMA. So now if it comes underneath, you see, but now at a low that's oversold, it could pop back up to give a lower high at this point because it's just gonna fall in. But trying to check us out because
I see that.
yeah, man. Yeah, I don't trust IWM. So I'm gonna focus on let me see, spy. Oh wow. Okay. So it did into the gap, but it didn't fill the gap. But I think it will though. So they're gonna come that far, tap in and then tap right back out. But this is the bye-bye uptrend line here. So long as it stays under here, We'll see. Because right here is that 5 and 50 cross. And I was saying that was going up. So that's old now. So now it's since it's playing on the orb, got to have the 1, 2, 3, 4 retests of the orb. And I would say if it comes back underneath this line here, they want to come lower, fill the gap, and see, and possibly here. But it's popping back up now. Need a higher low turned into a low. So let's see. Let's go come back up, or what is it doing? CPQ is same thing could be happening. Maybe giving that 3-bar play. Maybe it could be going for the masses. Oh, I'm marking that else up that video. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's that high up there. So yeah, and it's in the supply area too. So it's at the previous week high right now, and it could definitely come up here to the higher day, 225.57. It could. I mean, you see how far to the left it is of the 5 EMA. Okay. Oh yeah, it could. That's just mm, on the 1 hour. But is it double bottom? It is double bottom. Okay. It is. And once the second lead, price usually shifts into Saturday. So yeah, it really could run up to higher day for sure. I didn't even peek the double bottom on the 1 hour time frame. It could, it could. As long as it respect that 5, the video could keep going for sure. The video going up, everybody else should be coming up too. But then I like to catch the meat of the play, and I just like, look at what the video looks like. Yeah. Oh yeah, the video got the Kermit all down there for sure. Yeah, I've been running since market over. All these breaks of structure is confirming the trend. Yeah, once you get that change of character, and just keep going out of there. And Kermit was in the building. See, that lined up perfectly. Once the green dot came out, and Kermit came out, yeah, there just was no pullback for me. But,
Yeah,
like,
I feel better with that pullback too.
you know what I'm saying? It's just like, yeah, it definitely could keep going. I'm not saying that it can't. It's just, I do believe it's gonna go to the higher day. The 225.62 or whatever, 224.80, yeah. Yeah, I just like the pullbacks. But hey, let's go, let's go. Especially with the 3-bar play and the next candle is bullish for sure. No doubt in my mind, video gonna touch the higher day right here in this green line. No doubt. No diggity, no doubts. Okay, the EMA's crossed. All right, now we might be looking for something. This is where it pushes up at. All right, that retest. Okay, let's see. Boom. We just need a green dot here, and for that to cross, how long? We got 18 minutes on the new hourly candle. See, every time we get excited, it's the BS happen. Like, all right, yeah, it's going up, and then, oh, it's not. Well, we need the confirmation anyway. Show. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yeah, we need the confirmation, my guy. As long as it's above the yellow, it's cool. But all this back and forthness, by doing the same thing. Yeah, above the spy dipped in to the gap. So it's playing on the orb. And this is the bye-bye uptrend. I don't know what SPY wants to do. SPY is confusing me. Is 5 and 50 going across? Because that would solidify the deal. It really was. And look, Apple's still in the orb. I can't. It's ain't. Apple, baby. Okay, IWM is draggy. That 550 cross right here. But the thing is, since it's in the discount zone, this is where buyers step back in and it's over. So it could be pulling back to give a lower high at this point, but it's still inside of this box. Ah, a lot going on here. Oh, man. Patience, patience, patience. NVIDIA.
Yeah, I just seen I was looking at the contracts, it's like they start moving.
It's
It,
moving.
it was like 29,000 in the open interest. It's like 35 now.
Oh, wow. NVIDIA?
In like a minute or 2 minutes, they just hopped in.
Mm,
Nvidia.
okay. Do it, do it, do it.
Oh, some believers in there for sure.
I mean, hey, everybody strategy is different. I mean,
Indeed.
like I said, I do believe it's gonna go up,
I was
but
curious, that's why I looked, but I learned not to be jumping at nothing just because. Learn that.
yeah, I know. I mean, the can there. Yeah, I mean, look, I'm gonna put my little arrow there just to see if I'm right when it happens. It's like, okay. But without a pullback, I mean, let's put it from here. I mean, because it is, but I never quietly, never like, oh, it did. Okay, it did retest it right there. Okay, yeah. So actually, above the retest candle, cool. Like I said, yeah, people pushing it up. I mean, because look how it's riding the 5 EMA. As long as it's to the left of that, it's definitely not there. For sure. For sure. For sure. For sure. Yeah, we don't get in after that retest candle, you know. But it'd be kind of tricky then, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, videos writing, writing, writing. All right. Now, I think QQQ. Let me see. Oh yeah, that Kermit out there. Yeah, video gone. Uh, yeah, we can get Kermit back here, but that'll be amazing. You know, Spy. Spy got that low. Oh, dang, Spy got the green dot. I just need it with the Kermit though. That look like it's gonna pull back some more. They normally be even. Yeah. Okay. Oh man, everything is playing. Look how it's been consolidating. Like, what is happening? What's happening? What's happening? Ooh, come back about that. 725. Five. Hmm. Under peak four and seven. Eight. Yeah, it's still in that bearish area. So it's Apple. So Nvidia at 91, 93. That's good. Anything over 80. Hope. But
Google said Nvidia rejecting off 224.80. He was asking.
224.80. Okay, right here. Yeah. 224.80. Yeah, look, as long as these two numbers is above 80, hold. That means it's gonna keep going. And they in the 90s, so I seen that joint get all the way up to 99 before. I
Yeah,
said,
so
oh
just go
man.
past it.
Yeah, it's one of them things. It's like is it oversold or not? Like, I don't know.
Right, right.
Yeah, I mean overboard, I mean, yeah. Come on, QQQ. They jerking us around today, man. Oh, good grief. Okay, let's watch more closely. Let's see. So underneath, if we're gonna do, yeah, underneath the five. That is bearish all day. But you guys playing on this orb. How many times did I touch you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the sixth bearish candle touching this orb. This is gonna be the seventh. Okay. If it come under that 200 EMA, let's show. And this is the bye-bye uptrend. And this is just the line for the low. Yeah, it close underneath the 200. Let's show. Yeah. Don't watch. Watch and see. The VIX is still playing around. Oh God. Why? Oh, so spine KQQ look the same. Okay, pulling back. KQQ. Still red. Mm. Is it gonna come underneath the higher low? Interesting. Remember I told you about this bear over here. It's the bear. It's the bear gotta come down here. Yeah. I don't know. It's what the higher time frame saying. It's still actually in a bullish trend. It's just pulling back. See, it's wicking at five. Under here is closing underneath the five on the 15-minute. Because at 5 and 50 cross, it's just pulling back. So overall, the trend is bullish. However, it's just pulling back. I got it sideways, sideways, sideways. Mm, 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 mm. Let's see. I'll come up underneath there. We'll see what it do. Giving us a run. Nvidia might be coming to get a pullback. And look, that thing went from 93 to 67. Well, one of them still holding is still possible, but we gonna see, man.
We don't see exactly
We gonna
what it's
see. We
trying to
gonna.
do once it, just which way it's trying to break out.
That's it. Like, show us something. What are we doing? I guess my old man on the. Oh man, he inspired looking insane with that consolidation crap. But remember, this is the chalk right here. This yellow line closes under the chalk. Change of character. Because it's supposed to push up from here. Look how many times it rejected this same line. Crazy, right? Can't make it up. So under the 50, bearish. Under the chalk, bearish. Under the higher low, definitely bearish. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my God. Really, really, really. It's getting on my nerves. Why? Okay. Okay, what do we do? Okay, so uh, this chalk up here. Chalk. So by my uptrend, this is close underneath here. How many times? One, two, three, four. This is the sixth bearish candle on the order. Now, we watching this coin close. How long is it? 22 seconds? This close underneath that 200? Yeah. Heading lower for sure. Let's see what the camera ain't come out yet. Okay. SPY. Camera probably gonna come back out. I don't know why that's there. Let's see. Man, this thing playing.
Yes, it is. Shit.
Hmm. I think this is bearish. So now that 5 cross underneath that 50. Yeah. That is gonna be the done data. Uh-oh. Is it trying to come lower? Ain't trying to see. It's looking like it. It's still bearish. This is not turning. Nobody's green. It is far from this up here. Oh my God, I gotta shut the door. Green. Wow. Hmm. Sweetie. Oh my God, you broke it. No, she did with it. Hold on a second. Oh. Pop it back up. Playing in the box. These guys are playing on today. Yay, 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 yay. Okay. Yeah, I think Spy going to drip. Drip, drip. It's under that 200. But is it gonna pop back up? Let's accent that. It's two of those on that 200. That is mega bearish. But I gotta stay under there and under the bye-bye option. Definitely under the chop. And all right, I would say, well, wait, let me see. What's coming from there? Like, this thing is playing, right? Like, hmm. Oh, look at this. That just popped out. Bullet stop version. Interesting. That means it's about to go back up at some point. Yeah, this came all the way down. We really got room for lower. Well, that's interesting. All these mixed signals. I can't keep up here. Let me say that on PQQ too. Let me see. No, it does not. QQQ has been consolidating since 9:30 a.m. Doing nothing but going sideways. Playing. Playing. What is the video doing? Okay, video's probably. Ooh, you got the bear up here? That thing, the video about to drop. Hmm. No bears. I tell you, video about to fall. Wowzers. And look, that's gonna turn red too. And then camera gonna pop out. That's normally how it happens. Wow, right at the top too. Ooh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Interesting. Oh, they put a red dot. Oh, Apple's still trying to get it together, playing inside that orb. They say Apple about to go up too. Let's see how it came to the bottom. Can come up. Like you can cute. Mm-mm. That's what I'm saying. Come underneath that higher low there. A higher low there. Three more play. Get you every time. And this is. It doesn't mean it's gonna happen right away. It's just soon. Whenever that soon is, I don't know. Okay. Spry, spry, spry. All right. I've been in this box for like eons. Playing on here, and then the orb, and then under here. Because you've been in the box too. Playing. All I did was mark up the higher low. It's either gotta come underneath it or above it. And it keeps being inside of it. We need a direction here. Which way are you going here, people? Who's trying to okay. That's playing. Just playing. Mm. It's gonna pop up. That's what I want to do. What I want to do. And then this crazy box. Mm. Oh, there's my line is still there. Isn't that something? Yeah, I still think it's gonna go there. Don't you see them three bearish candles like that there? Yeah, that's the three dark crows. That'd be a nice pullback, a nice little bull flag. Mm. Let's see. Oh, damn. That's still bullish. So QQQ. What be the 15 minutes? There we go. I don't know how they got the 5 minutes, but okay. Yeah. So underneath the 5 on the 15 minute, and still above the 5 on the 30 minute. Which let's give it mixed signal. There's a volume drop under the 50, volume drop under the 50, which is more on the bearish side. SPY, volume under the 50 on both. But now you're getting a higher low on the 15 minute, but it's under the 50, respecting the 200. So this one is under the 15. Wow. Hmm. Hmm. All right. Gonna break the structure or no? It's under the top. Give me the 3-bar play. This is the top. Hmm. And the orb. So this would be tap of the orb. This would be retest of the orb. So next bearish candle, break this previous day high, which is also this high and low. Might be interesting. Oh, that's fine. SPY is complete. I'm gonna focus more so on QQQ. Okay, good. Volume is. I don't have a volume on there. Don't let me do it. I was yeah, yeah. All right. So you're gonna focus in 6 seconds on the candle. That candle bearish and come under here. I'm interested, but we'll see. Okay, new candle. Where are you? Oh, it's a new hourly. Oh, it is a new hourly. Okay, boom. See, and all this supply, all this red up here, all this red. Hourly candle is definitely bearish. Okay, so we need it under here, and it close under here. Okay, what is Kirby saying? Oh, it's saying it's pulling back. Uh-uh. Yellow means pull back. We know from this barrel over here, at some point, it's gonna come there.
Boy, been a fight today.
Man, you better say it again. You see what's going on? Just a bunch of sideways moving. Ain't nothing really happening. They gotta break this structure here. They broke that structure, but it needs to break this one. Patient, right? It's 11:06. Ain't nothing happened yet. A whole hour and a half. They say y'all gonna wait today. No problem. We had to wait yesterday too. So yesterday it was a crazy yesterday. Okay. We went bearish underneath the yellow line and underneath the 723.34. This previous day high. Oh man, come on. You see what I'm saying? Ugh. Everything was there. That candle just needed to be bearish and we would have been good. I promise. We got the retest on the orb. That's what we want. But yeah. What is the VIX on? VIX is playing. Okay, in between these two here. Okay, it's going sideways too. Nvidia is pulling back. Oh man. Yeah, Nvidia is nigga Apple still in the orb. I can't. Okay. Oh god. Dude. Let me see.
Boy,
Yeah.
Apple is really upset you today.
Apple just playing in the orb. Like, These been consolidating since 9:30. Apple and QQQ. I think they want to come for the gap, but we got the retest on SPY. But what I don't like about SPY though is that bullish divergence on uh I mean at some point. I think once it comes all the way down, they're gonna go back up. But they have to change the character, which definitely will confirm the trend. Is that right there? Yeah. Good, bullish. Yeah. Yeah, this is the chalk. Let me write that down so I don't forget. This is chalk right here. So underneath the chalk, that's confirming the trend. And underneath this candle, uh, mm, underneath here, which is just this is the next retest candle. So like right now, retest, retest. So I gotta come underneath this one. What are you doing, guys? This is the craziest, choppiest. What is some news? Oh, it was at 10:30. Okay. I don't know, these bill auction, 10-year note auction. Okay. But yeah. Okay. We're still on the green side. Ain't really moved much. Okay. Mm. So what's my putty Brooklyn? All right, you gonna come back down now? That'll be the move. Or no. I think it wants to. I think it wants to. I think it wants to. Between them and QQQ, they pretty much like doing the same thing. So as you can see, you went it above the box or below the box. It's been in the box since not 10:30, a whole 35 minutes. All right, come underneath my lawn here. What's wrong with you? Why do you be such a bugaboo? Do you know what a bugaboo is?
Nvidia still they put him back.
Yeah.
Just made a higher low.
Oh, did it? Okay, for sure. Now that might be worth looking into.
Kind of like where I was letting you know. I know you distracted over there.
Yeah, thank you. Right. All over the place. And that's gonna go high.
Spot got
Yeah.
your old flipping over there.
Oh, that's a good one. No, 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 yeah. I mean, that's what I said. If it pulled back, I'm with it. You know what I'm saying? I'm definitely with the pool box for sure, for sure. Because this is where they reject or respect. So I'm gonna leave that up there and see what it's gonna do. All right, we're gonna wait for it. If we get confirmation, man, we'll see what it do. Right now, ain't no confirmation. But I mean, it looks great. We can get rid of that because that's old. That's above the previous day high, which is great. This is old. Okay, so now we can see what a clear. What is this here? I don't know what that is. Okay, boom. So, all right, we got some options. Oh Lord, that's QQQ Inspireman playing. It be like looking like it's gonna do something. All right, cool. We got the Breakdown retest. Then you gotta come under here. And it's popping back up. Above the chop. Me right there on here too. Chop. Underneath chalk is bearish. Above that, trying to go back bullish. And this is our fib stuff that we've been had, but clearly, man, what a bunch of choppy day. Why is that? Today, because today is Wednesday, I want to chop. Don't chop. We're trying to get to the paper, baby. I call my gym. I went to the gym yesterday. I was all fatigued. I did my strenuous workout. And then I went and changed my clothes and got into my bathing suit, thinking I'm going to the jacuzzi. And while the jacuzzi was broke, I said, "Oh my God." I was so upset. So today I'm going to call. Yesterday I didn't even really feel like going, but I went anyway. Yeah. All right, video. Come on, fuck that. Oh, oh, oh. Mm, mm, mm. Very close to push up. Mm. Dipping. All right, video. Gotta wait on them too. All right, all right, all right. Mm. Some riff here, boy. Riffity, raffity, raffity, riff. I think it's just playing with us today, y'all. I don't know. It's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Mm. All right. Vic still at the bottom playing. All right. A bullish higher low. We'll move you over here. We don't say it's gonna go up. We just need the confirmation. Confirmation.
On the spy or Nvidia.
On both of them. Either whoever give it to us first.
I ain't know when you were looking at the moment. I'm like, which one you watching? Because I'm
I'm
watching
looking
one
at
on Spy. I mean, Nvidia Spy. I see Spy got a lot of wicks. It's trying, but I see a lot of wicking.
wow, QQQ too. Oh god. But it gotta come down.
Uh,
Yeah. I mean, yeah.
I think Spy a good spot. It's wicking pretty good. It's a lot of couple of buyers down there.
Mm-hmm.
No lower than 771 look like.
That giant whack. It's a Baba uptrend, so been a crazy downtrend. Why just consolidating like crazy? It's been in this box since 10:30. They gotta come out down or out up. Like it's just been going sideways. Giving me a headache over here.
I think Apple fell out the box, didn't it?
Let me see. Oh damn. I missed that. Yep, it did. However, I don't see no break in retest. I do see a 3 bar play here. Let me see. Let me examine closely. Make sure I ain't tripping. Nope, didn't touch it. You just see a big breakdown. So I gotta come back and touch this again. It could just keep going. I don't know. But no break in retest, not doing it. Wanna catch a falling knife? Nope. I mean,
Tried that before. It don't look. It's not a good feeling.
you see what I'm saying? We done tried that, and no thank you. Ain't gonna see what the video do. The video give us a confirmation we in there like swimwear. I'm mad at making us wait this long. I'm gonna been 2 hour wait. Jesus. Yeah, man. Man. Everybody on the play today. Look at it. I can't make it up. Sideways. Sideways. Oh no, they're saying that W don't want to go up. Interesting. Could be the case. Okay, this is saying Apple is going to continue down. Interesting. Nvidia. Oh wow. They're saying Nvidia trying to go down. That's crazy. See, I don't always agree with this. That definitely look like a big bull flag right there. Big
Yes,
bull
it
flag
does. Is this a confirmation count you waiting on?
for
Nvidia.
Nvidia. All right. Oh, that very divergent. Oh no. No, Nvidia, I'm waiting for a green dot.
Oh, Cremant.
I mean, yeah, that will currently be linked to the party, not necessarily. I mean, I do say that various divergence is coming. No, here on the MACD. MACD got to be green, and this green got to cross that yellow. But right now, if you enter, it's risky, high risk. Not saying it ain't gonna go. It definitely could. You know, bullish candle higher than the higher low. That's our little memo. But I don't know. It could pull a move just like Spy did. Because remember, Spy looked exactly like this morning. And then the higher low turned into a low. So when you don't wait for confluence, that's normally what happens. But hey, and look at the numbers are low. They're supposed to be over
Has
80.
left the M.
You're,
Check Apple. I think we got drip, and I think we got ways to go.
oh, Apple. Oh, now Apple, yeah, them numbers under 20. Okay, hold on. Apple might be.
Yeah.
I
I think we
think
got.
okay.
I don't see
4 hours.
no real support for a while.
I just
208.
let me see. Going on. Ooh, okay. Hmm. Breaking retest of the Orbi on the 1 hour. See, the breaking retest is here. What time is this? Oh, that's 10 o'clock. Okay. Hmm. Oh, it's at 10 o'clock. Where is 10 o'clock? 10 here. Okay. That's 10 o'clock. Interesting. That would be, I mean, yeah, it's definitely falling. That's for sure. Does it have room to run? If these numbers under
Yeah,
20, that's a good look for sure.
that was the question I was looking for right there. Does it
Yep.
have room to do it?
Does it have room to run? Let's look. Does it have room to run? Yeah, it does. Right down here. It does. 1, 2, 3, hourly. Yeah, how long for the new hourly? Oh, 36 minutes. Okay. Everybody a little high though. Who to be quiet? Right here. Did bring structure. Let me see where it can go. So that's the first low. Uh, Apple. Apple, 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 Apple. All the way back down here. I don't know if I'm all the way back down there now. I'm just marking up stuff. But okay. All right. Who there? Oh my God. You get so annoying. Mm. It could keep falling for sure. Popping back up. Oh no. It could definitely keep falling. But entry point, it's a S1. But yeah, it can keep coming down here for sure. And these numbers is under 10. They under 10. No, that's a good look for sure. Under 10 over 90. Great look. Hold if you're in it. But I ain't doing it. I just don't see a retest there. I don't feel 100% confident. Like, okay. But it looks good though. Looks like a video did. See, a video. We're waiting. How long a video? We need a green dot here. Yeah, we need that. So now it's above the 25. Yeah, waiting. Oh my God. Oh, this is contradicting what's going on here. The same thing that happened all morning. That's crazy. The market structure says going up. The Bears divergence says it's going down. It's the same exact thing that happened in QQQ and spot. Okay. Yeah, I think this gonna fall. Oh, and spot. Just waiting. Is anything after this change the character here? It should fall, right? Way back down to where this higher lows at. When this low retested, it came back up. But it's got the bullish divergence on there. This is 2 hours of patience for your mama. Lord have mercy. Okay. IWM. Giving a lower high. Now, this might be worth looking into to go back down. But show. You see how the bear came in and came all the way back down here. That's what I was saying. That needed to happen. When the bear come out, they got to come to the bottom. Remember I was saying that? Boom. Came to the bottom, and it's pulling back. Got that little high. So, that might be the one that's ready, because these been playing since 10:30. All right. So, boom. I switched to
So
bites.
I do.
Uh, getting ready set.
I say
That's
I do.
IWM. Yes. Russell.
Oh, you know what? That's the same bull flag I caught yesterday.
Oh, word. Okay. And this
Yeah,
could be
about it.
their flag. So, we gonna see. Just give us, we get a bearish candle under there with confirmation. I'm with it. Or IWM. 1000%. Right now, it's a green dot. But it's pulling back. And it just crossed. So, now wait a minute. Exercise patience here. Like we've been doing. I mean, it's been two hours. Ain't make a move. Apple. I would want to see Apple pull back here at least. Because if not, it could definitely keep going. Chop. He's still in the box. Like, they got to come underneath here. Is it going to? Uh-oh. I don't know. Same with SPY. I do think they want to fill these gaps today. See? Come out the box. Nah, gonna go up. Below the box, gonna come down. But that's 5 and QQQ. So we're waiting. IWM, who's gonna give us up the lower how to move? We gotta keep up with the Joneses. 32. 38, it's that push up. Push up here. Golden zone. Here, magic zone. Bye-bye downtrend. So who gonna give us the move first after 2 hours? I mean, good God. We've been some patient souls, boy. Wednesdays. Gotta love Wednesdays.
We indeed have. We good at this patience thing.
Ooh, okay. We is trying to get to the money, honey. Look quick. What are we gonna do? Moving. Coming back down.
I think Nvidia gonna come back down.
Video got that bearish
Oh
diversion.
my goodness. Hey, how about Apple went on ahead and broke through?
Huh?
I say Apple went on ahead and broke the $4.
Say that one more time.
I say Apple don't made it down to $4. I think it's gonna break the 300.
Oh, yeah. Apple coming down here for sure. Well, I told you, remember I said oh man, at 2, yeah, that thing gonna keep falling. Remember, if these numbers is under 10, very good look. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that's really good. And then again, I mean, that thing gonna keep falling. In it hold, in it hold. That thing gonna fall now. That thing gonna fall to that 299. If they ain't break that lower date at 300, out of there. Let's see, Kermit out here on Apple. Yep, Kermit is out on Apple. Wowzers. Yeah, yep. Like I had that bonus divergence, but yeah, I had to come down and satisfy the bearish. Where's the bear? Way back there. Okay. Boom. See, Nvidia gonna keep going up. Kermit with a pop back out like it did here. But see that bearish divergence there worries me about Nvidia. Because like I said, the structure says up, but the divergence says down. See how it's pointing
Yeah,
down.
as soon as it when I looked at it, remember I told you I looked at the open interest and all that, it
Yeah,
changed right after that.
it changed.
Right after that, it switched. I don't know what the open. Well, I don't think as many people in it now, but they were still in there, but they got trapped though because it switched. At least some
Uh-huh.
for
See,
sure.
the trap. That's why without the confluence, it's easy to get trapped. And I did it so many times, being anxious, like I just want the money. But we have learned to exercise better practices.
Yes, indeed.
Yes, indeed. So yeah, SPY. Oh man, SPY is respecting this level right here. All this consolidation. SPY ain't giving us no move today. We still at 62. No other news came out. Just being a butthead. IWM. You want IWM to make a lower high and stick there. Okay, good. Now, bearish candle and confluence. I'm with it. What is that? That's the previous
I don't
day.
know what's gonna fall on the side.
Oh,
I say it's a good little gap between that and that 5. Let's see if it come back and close up on that low high.
yeah, that would be lit. So, okay, this actually closed underneath this one, but it made a higher low. I can't keep up. So now, that's a 3-bar play right there under the chart. Okay, cool. Volume looks good. The gap is way down there, but it did close
Hey man, I
underneath
think
the previous high, which means nothing. Let's see. I don't see. I don't see.
WM want to keep going
I don't know.
to like 302.
See, yep, and that's exactly where it's at. 302 gonna come down. Nvidia, the higher low to move. Uh, Apple, five, five still in this box. Oh my gosh. Come on, Spy. Nobody's expecting these candles. Supposed to come under here. Okay. It's consolidating. Nothing. What a crazy day. Oh my God. Oh, what you got?
Now, I'm not as good as you. You on a day like this. If I wasn't trading with you, I call it a day. It's just too choppy.
Yeah. Gotta be patient. Wow, good. Somebody gonna give us some more. Gonna wait till 12 o'clock.
Did Apple ever give us a low high?
Yeah,
I don't see one.
I don't see the move. But just remember, no money lost is still a win. But where is the money?
Right. Long as we ain't give up now, huh?
Exactly. I have not done that and will not do that. Uh, is what the VMA level. Wow. Underneath the 5, huh? Let's see. Got to stay underneath the 5. It did. Got to come underneath. Underneath. Okay. So we got on that same candle. Yeah, I think it's gonna fall. See, IWM is giving us a level high. Hold on. Let's see. Okay. Here's the confirmation there. Only thing we need that red dot though. So,
It's the follow through too.
uh, yeah, we need red dot. Sir. Yes, sir.
So if I'm correct, you waiting on this next one to see if it's gonna be bearish too, which it don't look like it is. Criminal is.
I am waiting, yes. Red dot to confirm. And let me see. Because this looking like it's blue. You gonna wait? Well, that's good underneath the lower high. That is great. That is definitely what you want to see. We got wait till the dot turn red though. Because if you get in now, it's high risk. Yeah, come outside. You are getting go outside. 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 See, playing. Everybody playing today, y'all. It ain't me.
They definitely been playing.
He's trying to get to the bag, though. Why y'all holding us up like that? Make up your mind. Make up your mind. See, I love you. I'm playing. Mm, mm, mm. This thing is still. That is all down. That's the sharp one. Um, we're gonna come back in the gap. It's been in this box, yo, for over an hour. Mm. Okay. 1 minute on this candle. Next candle, there. Let me look. What's this? This is SPY. Oh, see how that joint jumped up? 26. So SPY number 22 and 19. Oh, not a higher low. Uh, really, what is going on here? So it broke structure. But see, that's why I put this line here. We wanted the price to come down here. So if the price come down here and we get the confluence, I'm with it. It definitely is a cool break of structure. Well, the red dot is already there and it's already underneath. So we just need a candle to check the avenue. Yep. Obviously bearish for 15 more minutes. And yeah, we just needed to hold underneath there. And we can say QQQ for the low. And just gotta come on. Okay, new candle. New candle bearish or no? Come on, people.
On which one?
You gotta come under that yellow line.
New counter bearish on which stock? I'm flipping through
Oh,
a couple of.
QQQ. QQQ.
Uh,
Oh,
it
yeah,
just it's on the verge.
it's on the verge. And it's gonna look like a snack. And IWM is playing. And NVIDIA is too. Lord.
Yeah,
Mm, 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 mm.
I think IWM gave you a break retest, came back down and went back up.
That part. Oh, it has the IWM has to close underneath with a bearish candle and had a confluence. I like the volume on it, but I focus on QQQ. All right, QQQ. And us waiting all day. It's go to order, right? Retest. The last retest candle right here. And it is broke structure. Yes. Come underneath there. Let me start looking at the contract. I do say higher low, but the higher lows turns into low. So let me see what the numbers is here. Oh, 12 and 13, yeah. Oh God. Let me look. Up underneath the P4. Yeah, I would like to see it a little lower. Under 722.66. Oh my God, that landscape, man, is too. Is it too loud for it? Okay. Please. Yeah, open the door. I thought they were finished. I'm sorry, Fluid. Yeah, that's where I would like to see it come under. Right there. That's the P4. Oh man, it's gonna pop back up. Man. Oh God. Giving us a run today. Let's see what it's looking like. How many people in these contracts? Q, Q, Q. Oh no, high or low? We gonna see. Oh, 97% of the sheet. Oh, 171,000. Jeez, open interest is 1885. The 723 put. 724 put 196,000. 455 open interest. 18% volatility. That looks great. Under 30, I like it. 722 is 90,000. 1,800 open interest. Okay. So 722, 723, 724. But I would love for it to come underneath the 722.66. Because that's that pivot level right here. That people 722.66. Come over this to 722.66. 2266. So yeah, so if it comes underneath there, I'm in there like swimwear, but not budget for the do.
We gonna see.
Mm-hmm. 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 We are. What is? The video is still playing. Look at it. 15 seconds on the tire low. Are we getting closer to a green dot in video? Because we've been waiting on you for a long time now. Oh, a long way. Now, this guy coming,
Yeah,
but
but
they
like you were saying, look at all the folks that jumped in and got trapped.
you see what I'm saying? That listen. Remember I
That's what I was looking at.
I know
yeah.
that. I heard that. Like, boy, he got a point there.
Yeah, it got trapped.
For
Yeah.
sure.
But remember I said it definitely
Cause
can go
look,
up there.
cause look, when you see that, you see that sandwich right there. It's like the last one up there by that arrow. That's
Mhm.
where that first blue candle where it started. That's
Mhm.
where I looked at it, and I was like, oh,
Mhm.
that's a nice sandwich. But if I would have got in, I would have been trapped right there.
Mhm. Ready to go higher. And boom. It tell you it's overbought. But sometimes these
Yeah, you
candles.
see,
Mm-hmm. Yeah. We see.
That's why you need that other confluence too, cause
hey,
it was before
would have been
it
like,
printed that red overbought high.
Mm-hmm. You do need a confluence because if you hop in because you see a higher low, and this crap happens, and then higher low turns into a low. It's like everything. If everything don't line up, just hold your horses. Come on, people, kill. Gotta come underneath here, baby. Underneath here. That would be amazing. Okay, Apple done fell some more, huh? Okay. Yeah, I do anticipate Apple to come here. Yep, yep, yep. Right. I mean, that back with structure should have known, but I just didn't see the break and retest on there, so that's why I didn't do that. But it did hit my TV this morning. That's what's up. Yeah, still playing in the box. Hmm. Fine, playing. What keep going? IWM. All right, IWM. Okay, hold on. All right, I love it. Got the break and retest. Oh, come on. We gotta get a red dot though. I love the volume. And it's only 7 minutes, to the next hourly candle. The hourly candle is bullish. I don't like that. But I do like this break and recess of this structure right here. So what needs to happen? I do like the volume, but it's 3 out of 4 conclusions. Hourly is bullish. Don't have a red dot, and the green got to come underneath the yellow. So we just wait, like we've been doing.
Right.
What a fun day.
You know, gotta
Mhm.
love the market for sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna say on the 12:30, oh nothing happened. I'm out. All in a wash.
I feel it.
You know, I'm gonna get caught in that traffic. Coming back. Atlanta traffic sucks.
Worst traffic in the country.
Yeah, man. 5 o'clock. There's nobody's fun.
Everybody look like they want to turn and go.
What you want to say? Okay.
I'm seeing a lot of green counters coming up on QQQ, Spy, SMH, everybody.
Oh, what?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
SMH got to get above that 723. SMH got my bad, it's 536. QQQ got to get above that. I see a couple of higher lows though.
Oh, yeah. See, IW playing over here.
Question M, is that a 3 bar on NVIDIA performing?
Let me go check it out. IWM over here playing. That's why the confluence ain't lining up, because it's playing. La 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 la. No. Yeah, to go down. You gotta
Yeah,
come
that's
up.
what I think.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh-huh.
So NVIDIA probably gonna come down to test that 50 at 222.
Uh, it could. I mean, square up the higher low. Yeah. A structure point, you want to break and retest. That's a strong uh correction confirmation. But if they're gonna do it, I don't know. I don't know. Mm-hmm. This is playing on the previous day low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. We don't got the breaking retest. Got the breaking structure. We got everything we need. It just need to come down low. Why it's taking a detour? Don't know. Come on. Oh wow. I'm going. New hourly candle in 3 minutes. Mm, that. Whatever. Okay, cool. So this is the next hourly candle bearish. We gonna see. Okay, Apple bouncing back up. QQQ, 15 minute. You got a higher low. Mm-mm. 15 minute, give a higher low. QQQ. That's conflicting.
IWM want to go up now.
All this chop. Look at all this chop. Look at it. Just look at it. Look at it. Doing absolutely nothing. 15 minutes. Got a higher low, 15 minutes. Cool, cool, cool. So we'll see if they come underneath there. That's what we're gonna see. All right. Give us a move or no? Mhm. Oh, no. Um, oh, man. Mm-hmm. You gonna fall or what? Nothing. Mm-hmm. Jeez.
Damn it.
Man, say that again.
I missed the IWM. Ah,
Oh, yeah. Okay.
if it hit with you, I think it's gonna come back.
It's back up at the previously high, so ain't no telling. Coming back above the orb now. Look like it's right at the
But
equilibrium.
let's see.
Two bugs. That first was five. Mm. Oh, perfect out. Mm. 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 I see it could went back up there. Mm. This whole situation is weird today. Everything is super weird, super consolidating, super conflicting.
We are definitely being tested today.
For sure.
Indeed.
1,000%. Thousand
Indeed.
percent. Look at all this whole morning. Sideways, 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 sideways. For 2 hours, is it 12 o'clock? Oh my God. 2.5 hours of BS.
Right.
Oh my goodness. Really? I need to be shamed. Uh, what the heck? Uh, okay, going down. Okay, super. Yeah, yeah, but,
Oh, I got a green on Apple. Wow.
mm. Now see, Apple might be hold on. Worth taking up, let me see. Yeah. We might can catch Apple on the way up. Let me see. Oh,
Oh,
it's to like the lower high time. Let me see. Previous week. No. Let me see something. Wait, what's the oh yeah. Okay. On the pullback. Let me see. Wait, it's looking. I would like to see that volume come up though. Hmm. Might get Apple on the pullback to the orb. But these people, they boy, EPPL. All right. Apple 29 cents. That's what I'm talking about. 55,000.
29 cents. Okay.
29 cents. That's what I'm saying.
what's the call you looking at for 29 cents, M?
302.50.
Boogaloo said, when in doubt, sit it out.
No, that's fact. That's what we've been
For
doing all
sure.
morning. I'm just checking and see who all in here. 400 interest, 8,000. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, look a little sus. That's why we like to pull back, see? Because they do low riffraff crap like that. But it is 29 cents. I just had to go on and check. Oh,
IWM steady climbing. I didn't see that.
nah, this is on some good. Dang, boy. Look at it. Like, it's been in the box. We just needed to come under here and it's popping back up. We want to go higher. It look like it do, but it's back on the orb again. Look how many times it touched the orb. OMG. Spy the same thing. Spy is popping up, but it ain't doing nothing. Been in the box. I don't know. I think today is a run for your money day.
Definitely
Okay.
could be, for sure.
Man, good God almighty. Apple can repeat this same move. Right? That's probably why it's 29 cents, but
You know what? Could be.
oh wow. Oh snap. Let's say Cardi B, no Navy jeans sell out in 24 hours. Hey, she had no jeans. Okay.
Man, I didn't know that either.
Generated 2,500 customer ratings. The rapid sellout highlights the power of the celebrity back fast fashion. Okay, 30% off. Go Cardi.
She can
I'm just bored. Don't mind me.
Oh no,
I
you
got the
good.
Cardi
She
B.
can't wear 'em.
Probably not. No, you're right. Them apple bottoms back there. Yeah,
Man,
Oh,
she
that's
gotta
not gonna
have hers
work.
customized.
right. Shoot. I did win, no matter what.
Yeah, man. See if you see him video making that bull flag that come up out of that down slope that it's been on.
Definitely bullflower. Remember, when it come, that's a lot.
It's
Uh-huh.
trying to form. Yeah,
Definitely flagging. Flagging.
we're a long way from green on Cremate though. I'm looking at that gap. It's a long way from there.
Oh, for sure.
Yes.
That's because it ran up all morning.
It did because it started running early, huh?
Yeah, but in
Yeah,
pre-market,
pre-market it was up, and once it opened up, it took off.
it just kept going. Yeah, and it had that bullet divergence right here too.
Yeah, off the news from yesterday, huh?
Yeah, buddy. I was watching NBC yesterday. Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
That's a celebrity right there. Y'all talking about Carl? All you got to do is get on TV and the stock go up.
You know what I'm saying? That's
Can
it.
anybody?
Get you an interview. You be good.
Hmm.
Like, oh, okay, you got this partnership, you got that partnership. Let's go ahead and invest.
Yeah, they be paying attention to that. They be watching for sure.
29 cents. It's on the rise. Oh, the new hourly
Well, look.
candle. Mhm.
Oh, I see green.
Mhm. Boom. Yep. Green. Yeah. And that's when you can say, well, that volume just dropped. That look a little sus. Oh no. The buy joint did pop out. That one's above 80. That is not. That's risky. That's 29 cents.
Oh,
It could go though. Where you go? I mean, it's gonna go to make a little high. That's why I was like, well, maybe we could
I
catch
mean,
that. We could catch it. I mean, it was oversold, so I mean,
yeah.
you have a breakout and retest. So I would say Apple at least gonna come back to the orb. Like that would have been like a cooler. But I don't like the volume.
What's the oil? What's the price on the oil? We might just catch it at that.
302.18.
That might not be a bad if we can catch it to. But depending on what the risk reward ratio people like.
Let me see. What is it? Oh, literally like a 1 to 8. So it would be
Huh?
36%, something like that. All I do is win. I just don't like the volume on it. And the volume come up, maybe. Like, look, nigga, we gotta get something. I feel you. All this damn time.
Man,
I'm saying I'm leaving.
This ain't normal. Uh-oh. They're going lower high. 29 cents. Okay, it's still 29 cents. Went to 41 cents. Okay. Oh, look, that's where I would say it was going to go to the 302.18. Back to the org. Where's the org? Okay. Now, if the video give us a green dot, And the John come up here. Yeah. So they broke out the blue bull flag. Okay. All the candle is bullish. Okay. That's all we wait for. 1 and 2. Well, actually, the buyer. So we got none of the confluences. Well, actually, the bull flag. I mean, the hourly candle is bullish. So that's about it. 1 out of 4. So
I got some catching up to do.
that part. That part. We gotta align because we've been aggressive plenty times. And where did that get
Yeah,
us?
In the red.
Hello.
Ain't doing that.
Being aggressive. And we just want the money. You get in there like, oh man, we should have waited. I should have, could have, would have syndrome. Actually, I would have like moved to stop here. Eh, that was still like a um, good little move there. All right, I think the bias has changed on here and broke out the trend line thing. It's climbing back above the chart. And this is the new sell
your
block.
QQQ coming in.
Yeah, I see that. But hold
QQ
on.
look nice. Spy, both of them starting to trend back.
Yeah. I mean, I never
Look,
erased the fib stuff that I had here, so I'm like, okay.
I done young still right. I missed that. I'm gonna kick myself for that one.
What's wrong, Pete? That's good. That's good. Yeah. Oh, boy. You okay? What's wrong? You okay? Um, what's wrong, Pete? So then leave me alone, okay? Yep, they're trying to come back up. So guess what? This box, boom. So now you can see we're gonna rejecting the chop. Can't keep up. What's the number on here though? That's a 92. Good lord. 90 on QQQ. 48. Okay, I got 15 good minutes left. That's a good 3 hours. My lord. Maybe something might come at power hour. Check. Power hour. Fire. Ejector. Sheesh. Yeah. As long as fire under 77344, which is this little pivot line up here, it is bearish for sure. But that number is up. 89. That's high. But I mean, yeah, the super trying to pop out and say it's just trying to buy up. I don't know. I didn't know. And it's going past this line right here. It's a 77256. This whole day has been so interesting and working patient. It's like nobody's business. Okay. Higher low. Right. That's SPY too. SPY is now giving a lower high, but look, it's still in this box. And now it's back on the orb. Again, bet on the orb over here. Came down here to consolidate some more. Back on the orb. Nothing. The SPY did absolutely nothing in the last 3 hours. Except give us this big drop and opening candle. That is about it. It dipped into the gap, but did not close the gap, which is probably why it's giving a lower high. This is interesting. Mm, yeah, yeah. What is the influencer? Okay, we got a green dot. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. And the volume come up. Look at the hourly county. Okay, hourly is bullish. There's a lot of supply up here. My goodness gracious. All of it. That's why I've been rejecting because there's so much supply up here. That's a lot. That's a lot. Then it come up because it's in this supply area right here. You gotta come up by this box. This candle right here. This is the chalk. And where the volume will come up. So we got 3 out of 4, but it's rejecting to go up. We're gonna change the volume. Why does the line look crooked? Like, okay. So, look, it's playing on the chalk. So this is a big supply zone where it rejected from right here. Like it tried to go up, but them sellers was pushing that price all the way back down. And then now it failed to go lower and push back up. It did give you a breakout and retest of the structure, which is definitely what you want to see. However, it has to get past the supply area, which is this candle right here.
It's been struggling to be honest.
Man, the struggle bus. That is on the other chalk. It's playing on the chalk. The chalk. It has been giving us a run today, guys. All right. We know a higher low is a thing to go lower, but my patience is really good. Ooh, look, NVIDIA broke out, but then it's coming back. And they give you like a nice little breakout retest. But about a retest can do crickets. Crickets. Why is it rejecting? And they had equal lows there too. Why did it reject? Anybody know? Why did it reject? Apple. Oh, Apple didn't want to go to the I'm glad I kept my 29 cents. Sheesh.
For sure.
Oh, wow. So wait, we can't wait there because that is null and void. So boom. Let's see. Apple can give us a move to the downside now. And the lower high is took place. 'Cause sometimes you know the lower high move, just like IWM was doing. Oh look, see, it's still doing it, and now it's overbought because bad people was in there. Let's see, could it go? That would have been nice. It's above the orb though. Right now, okay, like ooh, you can draw the fib now on the downside. I did already, but I don't know if I did or not. I don't think I did. Oh, I did not. I did not. I did not. We got that and okay. So we'll see. Okay. Well, I know it was a fancy people in the corner and previous day low. So it's back up on the previous day high, which is means it could keep going. See, yeah, keep up with the Joneses. You know. Anyway, what was I talking about? Apple. Um. Okay. Right. So Apple. Oh, you can't do it. Bullish. 37 more minutes. That. Uh, the volume is okay. So yeah, so I need a red dot, which ain't there yet. See how video playing still. Yeah, yeah. I gave you great retest of the structure, but it rejected this candle. This is so fun.
Are we having fun now?
I want to throw my laptop. Like, oh my goodness, why, y'all? Like, really?
Plenty fun dealing with all this today.
Man, I did not wake up to think I was going to be dealing with all this today. You was right.
A little action.
Hey,
Yeah.
M, you almost 3 hours in, mama.
Man, tell me about it. They could have just skipped the day and been all right. But how would we have known?
Right. We had that 3 hour day before.
Absolutely. You're absolutely right. And then the move finally came. So I'm hoping. Because, boy, the next 6 minutes, something better happen. That. Okay, Apple, you gonna give us something more? No. Previous week low. Gotta get back
Oh,
underneath. Okay, it's giving a lower high. Because it's in this supply area. If it doesn't come back above here, then yeah, definitely gonna head back down. Um, yeah, this been in this box since 10:30. Is that 10:30? Yep, since 10:30. Wowzers. It just been doesn't want to be our friend. It just does not. It doesn't want to be our friend. It don't. It don't want to be our friend. No shot.
Not today.
No, not today. I mean, the lower high is there, but oh, all this stuff is just. Oh no, didn't mean to do that. See, keep moving. Can't keep up. Keep up with the Joneses. Whoa, 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 my guy. Whoa, wow, wow. Okay. All that wacky, jacky, jacky. Higher low and then the lower high. Yeah. Now, what is it gonna do with this level here? It's 724.64. Because clearly, it's a break and retest. Oh, what is it going? It's still in that supply zone. Lower high. Back above the chop. What a beautiful day. Oh God. Okay. Video posted from above here. It's playing. Look at it. What is it doing? Three bar play the other way? Who does that? Out of a bull flag. Come on. Who? 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 NVIDIA.
hey, this is market manipulation at its best. When you seeing all this unusual stuff, I'm talking about we can't get a usual pattern or nothing that's going as normal.
Not one thing.
Nothing.
Nothing. Nada. Nathaniel.
Nathaniel.
Nothing.
And then the bad part, is you be getting on here with us on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, making it look easy. So when we see you struggling, be like, hey, it happens to everybody.
Listen to the best of us. You know what I'm
For
saying?
real.
The struggle is real out here, but no money lost.
It seemed like every so often though, because it seemed like that same day, it was kind of like the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
It was just unusual.
Unusual. Yes. This is definitely this hasn't happened in a while. We have to take one trade, like one setup. Like it's just been consolidating like all day on Spy QQQ. And then this here, IWM. Oh no.
Yes, got the hands blinking down. I'm looking at it. I'm
Hmm. That's got a long ways to go. Two, let me see, hourly. An hourly is bullish. Don't like
oh yeah, very green.
it. Yeah, that doesn't look promising. QQQ. Nothing is lining up, or it's just like taking forever to do so. The VIX is still at the bottom. Wow. Now they're saying the VIX is gonna go up with this bullish divergence here. The VIX been down for a while. It's been
Yeah. So even with the VIX down, we can't move. That's all.
no, it's just when the VIX is down, SPY QQQ normally is up. It normally does the opposite of what the VIX is doing.
That's
But
why it's unusual,
yeah,
Yeah,
listen.
that's what I'm saying.
Absolutely. It's just, man, an unfortunate day. Like, why though? Where is the money? Show me the money. Look at this. Apple on the BS vibe. 29.9.
You,
Chop.
you still looking at 29 cents?
29 cents. Listen. What did it wind up doing? Oh yeah, see? Yeah, I was saying it was gonna go to the orb, but look, it made a lower high and it did not. Well, it still could, but the confluence didn't line up. So, and that's why when the confluence don't line up, something janky about to happen. So that's why you don't get in until you see everything line up. If everything line up, it goes. It follows the rules and it goes. It's like 2 out of 4 or 3 out of 4, and one is missing. Like, but yeah, it's everything line up. Everything lines up for a reason. If it don't line up, it don't line up for a reason because it ain't going where you want it to go.
Right.
So that's what I learned in my impatient days and in my patient days. So I'm just learning to walk away and still have my same amount in my account instead of being aggressive just because like, oh
Yeah.
man, that
We're gonna
sucks.
make something.
Yeah, right. And that's how your attitude be like, man, we gonna make some money, man. Bump that. And then you be like, oh man, why the heck I do that again? Should have got over that. You don't want to be singing that song. See, we need a red dot. A red dot.
Nvidia coming down. If it get noticed, Nvidia about to break the low.
Oh my goodness. Yo,
What?
no, this was they broke out of the bull flag and it's coming back in it. That's like super weird.
I was thinking the same thing.
That is super weird.
But they know we're looking at the bull flag. Like I say, like I told Trap last night, I've been liquidity since I got it. Since I that's all you do. Get in at the wrong place and you'll wick out.
You wake up for sure. But also too, we do see this bearish divergence here. So remember, I told you when you see the bear, it got to come down to this bottom here. So that could be what Nvidia is struggling with, because clearly, if it comes underneath
You got to
that,
come down. How far? You
come
say if
all
you
the way
see the
down
bear,
here,
you got to come down where?
down here,
Oh,
down here,
well,
could
that might
be
be that might
down
be
here somewhere.
Oh, that might be push then. Let's see if it can break that high and low. That'll be a
Yeah,
change of character, right there.
exactly. Yes, you're getting it. It
Hey
will.
man, losing man, steady enough.
Yes, definitely a change of character at the top of the uptrend. I low. If it breaks it, mm. Crazy. And looking like they want to sneak on down there. And where would the next stop be? At the low, back here. So if it break that, it can come down here, which would suffice this here to here. But I could be wrong. Who knows? But
Okay.
we'll see. I don't know what I want to do. Looking real drippy though. This is supposed to come back above here. This little fella up here. This is our retest candle of the structure. That's why I put this right here. I always want to see a retest of the structure point. Which makes give it that stronger push, but clearly it couldn't push. It rejected and came the other way and gave us a sandwich and everything.
Right.
That part. Oh god. Okay. And look at Apple playing. I can't. Ah. Oh, hold on, hold on, hold on. Back under the chart. You know, in this supply area, that's why it's red. Yeah, that's chart. Well, hold on. Under there. All right, well, let's see. Hourly candle is still bullish. I don't like that. Yeah. Q. 1 minute, 2 minute. And look, the 4 hour still bullish, and so is the daily on QQQ, which is conflicting with what it's doing right now.
Right.
And look, on the 15 minute on QQQ, you do have a higher low. It is above the 50, and now it's trying to come back above the 5. On the 30 minute, it is above the 5 and above the 50, and the cross is right there. 50 and 5 cross. So the what is it called? Overall trend, it is still in the uptrend. However,
And
it's,
we said everybody was gonna hit the 50.
huh? Say it again.
I said we said everybody was gonna come back down to the 50.
Mm-hmm. I
I
think,
see you looking at a cross.
yeah, I'm looking at the cross. I was trying to cut it off, but then do the same thing. Oh well. Yeah, I was looking at that. But I mean, it's supposed to run up, and that's on the higher time frame. mm,
Look like QQQ might push on the back down on your
yeah, I'm
chart.
looking at it. Yep, I'm looking and waiting. Okay, but the hourly is definitely bullish. Could come back and retest this structure here. Oh, no, it's always okay. My goodness. Well, hold on. Let's get the cross on the TDI. And then like it's coming down. We just need this to turn red. And the hourly candle to turn red. That would be even greater.
I'm looking at Spires.
Okay. It's fine. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Nothing. The hourly candle. Bullet. I don't know. Wacky Jackie today.
Push. Oh.
All right, Lola. Jump. Jump, Judy. That's a 3-ball play, and yeah, can't keep up. Well, you gotta come down. Oh, yeah. That thing made that high at 10:45. It came all the way down. That was a long drop. Vic still playing. Okay. Apple. Apple still playing. All you can do is laugh, right?
I'm listening to your list of everybody who playing.
Everybody,
Right.
everybody playing. Look at them. They playing. Look. Consolidation. Just playing. Everybody is playing. Why? I don't know why they playing. I don't think they know why they playing.
Right.
It's like, it's supposed to be going up, but playing. Playing. IWM. See how the bear, it came down, touched the bottom, and now, yeah, normally at the bottom of here is the low. See how the low, it lines up. It touches a low, and then actually made like a little double bottom there, like a 1, 2. So yeah, that went up, but now it's playing. Man, like my patience
Went
with
on to Yeah, I went on to other stuff. I'm looking at Robinhood right now.
Oh Lord, look at this. What? 5 seconds.
Robinhood, Planeteer look like it's going to come out of a bull flag. I'm just finding other stuff to look at.
That part. Yeah, it's the same. Like last 5. Same thing. Wait. I'm waiting again. Break and reset. Or just a break with the floor. Palantir done fell. Stop and Palantir was at $8.
Who that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, about maybe 2 years ago. Yeah, when I
Oh,
first
no.
started making. Wow, nothing. What are the futures doing today? Same BS, huh? I ain't even looking at nobody's futures today. Same crap. Yes, yep. Everybody look the same for sure. Gold. Oh hell yeah, look at all that. Yeah, everybody. Oh
Hell yeah.
hell yeah, man. I'm so disgusted, y'all. So disgusted. So disgusted. Wait, why this yeah, I can't keep up. Like, child. Then you gotta wait again. Yep. I think my patience done ran out for the day. It's like yesterday. It cost me yesterday. Hopefully they don't do the same today.
Yeah, it cost me a little bit too. Not too much though.
Not too much, but we take 0 trades today. I got the same amount. I have not lost. I just freaking gave up 3 hours waiting on this sideways BS. And next Wednesday better not be like this. That's what I'm saying.
All right.
That part. What time is it? 12:42. Yeah. Well, is there anything you guys looking at that you want me to give you a prognosis for before I get off of here? Because I think I
I
had
mean,
it.
they give all of them- we can get the same setup. Like I'm looking at Google. Google got a bull flag, but it's like it's not a fluke that we don't saw so many of them that's not planning out. I think it's just
Boy,
market period.
that's
Huh?
just crazy. This looks like it's gonna go down with that lower high. I would draw up the fib.
Yeah. Uh,
Lower high, baby. I'm just saying.
lower high at the
Yeah, that's what I would do. Well,
you would take it to the low.
uh,
You would take it to the low.
I would take it to here and here. That would be the TP for me. If
See
I was
what
that way. But yeah, if you wanted to come back under the 341, what a confirmation close, then take it here and then take it here. And if it goes down to there. But yeah. That's what I would do. That is definitely fib worthy. For sure. Take a screenshot of this
so
thing.
it's 338.
Hmm?
So I'm looking at what your target say 338, 335.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what it is. No bull flag though. No bull flag.
Well, keep an eye on that.
Yeah. Anything would be a bear flag. But
I see Tesla making they coming back down. Like I said, I probably just call it a day. I won't even.
yeah,
That's
well,
what I'm doing.
yeah, that's what I'm
Yeah,
on.
see.
Yeah, same thing.
Well,
Like Google.
I appreciate y'all for the time.
You know what I'm saying? I would draw the fib
For
on Tesla
sure.
too. Screenshot
Likewise.
that if it's gonna come down, but ABC. It could. Tesla give you Tesla be expensive. I don't like trading that one. They like to eat up
Yeah,
all your
Texas
money.
do be expensive.
I know.
It do.
It ain't 29 cents.
It ain't so expensive. Sure ain't.
No, that joint is not. But I mean, it do pay you though. But yeah,
Tesla's on the list of bags. Other than that, I don't deal with that right now.
yeah. I mean, any little higher, you just wanted to come underneath the 25% because that's like the confirmation. But yeah. Let me go PLCR one more time. Palantir, same thing. They all look alike. They all look
Exactly.
same thing. They all look
Makes
alike.
sense.
So if one make a move, they all should make a move. But I'm gonna be in the jacuzzi today, thinking about it like, dang, what's wrong with these people today? I'm gonna leave them all up. When I come back in the gym, I'm gonna come check them. And if they all fail, I'm gonna be pissed. Like, y'all, look at this BS. We was in the car. We would have waited 3 more hours.
Right. That's crazy.
Like a 6 hour day of waiting. Who does that?
Yeah. Let's set that alert on there.
Man, yeah, set the alert. There you go. Draw the fib up, right click, boom, add the alert, baby. You ain't got to touch nothing, just hit create. Right click, create. Boom. That's a good idea. Set the alert. When it come up
On
under
Planet
there,
Two?
all of them. With the ones I just Palantir, Google, and well, I ain't trading Tesla, but yeah, Tesla. I just look at and see if I'm right. But they eat up your money, honey. On Google, that's a good idea. The alerts. Yeah, underneath here. So right click, set an alert. Bam, alert is set. So if
You don't
Google
up on
comes
the
up
lower
under
high?
there, yeah, on 341.37. It close under there, yeah, you can take it down for sure. Like I said, screenshot it if you need to. And that's gonna be that show. I said this one. Or not the 50% one. Make sure you get the right one. I want 25%. On the fib, you gotta mark it. You 25%. And you wanted the code underneath that one. Bam. There we go. So now you see the clock, the alert here on this one. So when it closes underneath there, it'll alert me. And same
Got
will,
it.
yeah, this one too. So this one on Q. Same thing. Right click 72401 and come underneath there. Make sure you click it down here to 25%. And create.
Appreciate y'all. Move. Hey, one time. Hey, I wanted to
What?
say back to Palantir when you had mentioned that you had it at $8. I
Yeah.
had it at 7 and ended
Wow.
up selling it at 21 because I did not expect for it to go to 200 and something. I'm still
Woo.
kicking myself. I had 100 shares. I made
Ooh.
3 times my money, but I'm still sick in the mind. Nonetheless, y'all have a great day, man. Lock in. We're gonna do it again next week. Yeah.
That's it. That's
For
it.
sure.
Appreciate y'all.
All right.
All right. Y'all be easy, man. Y'all have a blessed day. And Mumu is out of here.